Picture this: you're standing in a tech store, overwhelmed by the sea of smartphones, each promising to be the best. It's October 2024, and the world of mobile tech has hit new heights. Whether you're a camera enthusiast, a power user, or just want a phone that stands out in your hand, there's something special waiting for you this year. Let me walk you through the top 5 smartphones you need to know about right now. First up, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This beast of a phone is all about pushing boundaries. With a sleek 6.8-inch display, it feels almost limitless in your hand. And then there's the camera, 200 megapixels of sheer photographic power. It's like carrying a professional-grade camera in your pocket. But it's not just about photography. Powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this phone handles everything you throw at it, and then some. At $1,299, it's a premium price, but for those who crave top-tier performance and a battery that just keeps going, it's worth every penny. Now, we can't talk about premium without mentioning the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple continues to refine its craft, and this year's flagship is a masterpiece. Sporting a 6.9-inch screen, it's bigger and bolder, perfect for gaming or binging the latest shows. Under the hood, the A18 Pro Bionic chip is faster than ever, and the camera? Well, Apple has taken low-light photography to a whole new level. At $1,199, it's not just a phone, it's a statement. But let's not forget Google. The Pixel 9 Pro is a sleeper hit in the smartphone world. Google continues to excel in AI, and with the Tensor G4 processor, the Pixel 9 Pro is smarter than ever. Its 6.7-inch display isn't just beautiful, it's functional. Imagine a camera that predicts your best shot, thanks to Google's machine learning algorithms. Whether you're snapping photos of friends or breathtaking landscapes, the Pixel 9 Pro knows what you want before you even do. For $1,099, it's the tech geek's dream. Want something a little different? Enter the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Foldable phones are no longer just a gimmick, and Samsung leads the way with the Z Flip 6. At $1,099, it offers a unique design that literally flips the smartphone experience on its head. A 6.7-inch inner display unfolds into a full-screen experience, but when you want to keep things compact, just fold it in half and slip it into your pocket. It's fun, it's functional, and it's a conversation starter. Finally, let's talk value. The OnePlus 12 comes in at $799, and don't let that price fool you, this phone is no slouch. With a massive 5,400 mAh battery, it's built for endurance. Paired with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it's fast, smooth, and reliable. OnePlus has always been about offering flagship performance without breaking the bank, and the OnePlus 12 continues that tradition. It's perfect for someone who wants the power of a flagship without the flagship price tag. So, what's the takeaway here? In 2024, smartphones aren't just tools, they're extensions of ourselves. Whether you want power, elegance, innovation, or value, there's a phone waiting for you. And here's a little bonus tip. Keep an eye out for deals and bundles this holiday season. Sometimes the best phone isn't just the one that dazzles, but the one that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Choose wisely, and remember, your smartphone is more than just a device. It's your gateway to the future.